Right, hey guys, Minecraft Stalker here. I'm with Chris and Sam and a random person, and I'm starting right now. Right.
Well,
Dear child, do you mind if I put my casino high up in the sky?
Come on, Chris, don't be gay.
I'm gonna be that one guy who doesn't have his flashlight on.
Oh, yeah. That's not how it is.
Come on, guys, follow me.
I don't know which one you are. I'm following the ginger kid.
Hey, that's me. Shut up.
Oh, cool. Oh, no.
And I'm the ghost.
Everyone flash their lights at him.
No! No! Just fuck you! No!
Because I can't.
Hey, I beat you. Shut up, because I've got a painting, and it's my grandpa there. Hello!
Oh, no, they're upside down.
Well, that's gold. Oh, no, that's not for that guy. Oh, whoops. One thing I should have said, what do the tape recorders look like?
Tape recorders are notepads with holes with a circle on it.
Okay.
And some books.
Good description, innit?
But I'll show you now.
Hey, well, don't get the tape recorder. Don't get. Where the fuck is it? Don't get it. Don't get it. I want to show the peoples. Don't get it. Oh, there it is. Look. There it is, guys. Look.
Where? Oh my god!
Oh, you bastard. You bastard. Alright.
I'm gonna flick on my light at this guy. Like, hey.
Yeah, just
really
use
great.
the excuse
You
of,
wanna
oh, it's
flick on my
flickering.
light?
Oh my god, there's something coming. Oh wait, actually, we've got one tape recorder. We better
I'm
be.
stuck, guys. I'm actually stuck.
Good.
Guys, help me. I can't move.
Ah! Turn. Oh shit. Leave him! Guys, ditch him! Go, go, go! Run! Chris! Chris, come on, run! Run, Chris! Run, Chris, come on!
See ya!
Bye! I'll see you on Christmas Eve! I promise!
Oh, no, that guy.
I promise I'll come to visit! Oh shit, you're out. Hi!
You guys leaving me, you bastard.
Oh yeah, one word, guys. Our Minecraft Machinima. I can't go tell much, but I can tell you that the name of it will be the Horror of Herobrine. That's practically all I can say so far. And not even Chris knows that, but Chris just knows that now, don't you, Chris? Yes, I do.
I'm in it.
Yes, of course you're fucking in it, you piece of cheese.
Hey, take a slot.
No, wait, stop.
Correct.
I think you look more like cheese because you're all yellow.
Hey, yeah, that's the whole oh, Chris, you ruined the fucking joke.
Correct. Correct. Down behind you.
There's a tape recorder, guys.
Flick off my flashlight. Oh my god, Dad! Dad, is that you?
Daddy!
Oh,
Daddy! I've got a present for you!
I love you!
I love you too.
That's like
I love everyone here. Everyone's like my roommate, literally. Aren't you guys?
leaving me?
Aren't you guys? Yes, you are.
Yeah, definitely.
Can I have babies?
No, you can't have babies. You don't. You can't even have orgasm properly. So shut up.
I can.
Oh, you lied to me. You said you were a woman.
He can't control me, man.
I look like a woman with short hair.
He can't control me. I can do all that. You're gonna make me like what to the thing.
No, turn behind you, Chris.
There's another tape recorder, guys. Brace yourself.
Look, look at me. Look at me. Look at me. You turned me on.
I'll meet you then.
Get it? You
Hey, there's a
turned me on.
random. Which is the random guy? You know what? The random guy.
Random guys in the blue jacket.
Oh.
I'm just gonna leave you guys.
Oh, bye. And go ahead and die.
Oh, that's a bloody
Whoa, shite.
What happened?
I don't know. I think I'm running on myself. Guys, come with me. Oh, he's gone now. Let's go.
Gone. Yeah.
Oh, no, he's not.
Oh my god.
Piss off, you white sloppy dog crap. Where is he? Where is he? I can't see. Hey, I can't see him. Chris, you lead. Go on, go. Chris.
Gone.
Yeah, just move forward then before he gets us from the back.
I'm fine.
Oh, fuck, you're all wimps. No, I'm going first. Screw you all, I'm going first. Chris, shut up, you piece of dog.
Right, guys, stay back. Let this real man do it.
Nah, screw you. I'm the real man here. I'm the one with the fucking torch that works properly.
Oh, mine's flashing though.
Yeah, my name's Flashing.
My torch is plus 1. What do you want to do?
My torch is like... My torch... Oh, my... What the fuck is that? You're like interrupting me and then we interrupt each other again. What the hell? Hey, look, it's Miss Doris Pole thingy. Woohoo!
Hey, let's go towards it. I want to touch it. I want to touch
No, no,
it.
don't,
I want to touch it.
no!
I want to touch it.
Chris, come on, let's go. Let's get out of here. Come on, we're out. Chris,
Probably tell me.
no, Chris, don't ditch me as well. Oh no, please don't ditch me. No. Oh, who's this guy? Is this mysterious guy that nobody knows about his name?
Oh my god. I think I just shot myself.
Alright, go on, let's go, random dude, whatever your name is. Oh my god, that scared me. This guy is running like crazy behind me up my ass. Jesus Christ. I can barely see what.
I'm behind you.
No, you're not. Shut up. Look, he's a ghost. Ah!
Damn it.
Is that a door there? Yeah, there's a lovely door there. Lovely. And there's some crates. Woohoo! Crates! Ah! What do we do? He's like swarming us, like every angle. Let's go this direction actually. This looks nice. Wait, hang on, hold the phone a second. Oh my god. Oh. He's not there.
Come here, Chris. Give me some sugar.
No, you can't afford sugar. Look, we're in the middle of a Slender invasion, so could you at least, as your fucking ghost, make yourself useful? Fucking hell.
I'm sorry.
At least I'm not dead. Sheesh.
I'm sorry, but I'm addicted to touching shiny things, okay?
But it wasn't shiny, it was green and sloppy.
Oh. Well, I like them.
Oh, there's footprints on the floor. We're going in a bad direction. Thingy, whatever.
I promise you that was mine.
I'm following this dude here.
That's not.
Yeah, I know who it is. Like, this guy's... Oh my god, this guy better not die, because if I'm myself, I swear I shit myself so much.
Hey guys, this window here. Maybe we can climb out of it.
I'm looking backwards. Dude, get out of my face, you piece of whatever.
Can you climb out this
I found
window?
the tape squad, guys.
Yeah, I hear it. Where's it?
Oh, I've never been here.
Just to warn you, while you're doing this, I'm just gonna anally butt rape.
Oh, yeah, great. I love to be butt raped. Oh, I remember this area. Yeah. Where's the tape recorder? Oh, there it is. Woo! Guys, let's go. Come on, run. Go to the chopper, if there was one that actually
Get
exists.
to the chopper.
Well, we could actually...
To the chopper.
Well, we could only go if it actually exists in the fucking game.
My boat we stand completely still.
Well, I've still got... My torch hasn't flickered once yet. What the hell?
Nothing's that great.
Dude, my torch hasn't flickered once yet. Whoa. It's like my torch is like ultra awesome. My torch is awesome as it is, obviously.
By the way, that was the sound effect of a lightsaber.
Yeah, you just see Darth Vader come out instead of the monster. May the force be with you. Oh shit. Alright, wait, we can do this, just don't look at it.
Go towards the green glowy thing.
No, don't go towards the green glowy thing. Dude, don't look at it, you stupid dumbass. It's supposed to kill you, not marry you.
Oh, is it that?
Wow! He's right there. Shut up! Stop it! Okay. Oh my god, he's right there. Run! No! Don't do this! No!
Coming behind you.
He's right there! Cover me! Please help me! Hang on.
This isn't Halo, we can't give you cover.
Oh, he's not behind you. Yes, you can give me cover. Use your mysterious toy light thing. No, seriously, where the fuck is it? No, come on, guys, seriously, make yourself useful. Guys, where's this tape recorder? We're gonna be here until I die, so you might as well bloody tell me where it is.
I don't know where it is.
What's the fucking noise
Oh,
for?
there it is. It's in one of the mummy tombs.
Is it? Oh, hi. Let's go. Let's get out of here. Bloody hell, that noise is loud, isn't it? Jesus. Oh, shit. How is this guy not dead yet? He's like right up my arse.
Have you given him an STD?
I will give him a blowjob in a minute, literally. Fuck.
Did you see me, by the way?
No, I can't see Jack Squiddly Dick. Seriously? It's like the first episode and I've just shat myself ready.
I'm literally sitting in a puddle of my own piss at the moment.
What is it? Wow! Sorry, that was completely necessary. He is right behind that wall. I swear on my life, he's right behind that wall.
Don't give him a hug.
No, piss
That's what
off.
he wants.
Oh, is he gone? He's gone. Oh, right, let's quickly make a run for it. Woohoo! Oh my god, this game's so scary. Anyway, guys, if you want to play with me, Chris and Sam, you just contact one of us. I'll show you the names most likely at the end of the video when we die. God knows how long this is gonna be. Like.
I think you guys should just stand still and wait for him to come.
No, I don't want to stand still and wait for it to come. We're like epic. Me and this dude that's right on my ass. Oh no, we've reached the heady thingies. Ah, we've came. Oh, a tape recorder. Oh yes. Who is the daddy? Whoop whoop.
Well, you are the only one with the mustache, so
Hang on a second. I'm not the last one alive. This dude is still alive with me, isn't he? Yeah.
Yeah, I know, but he doesn't have a mustache.
He's not even doing anything. He's just sticking his torch up my ass. Bloody hell.
I think you turn him on.
He loves me so much. You can clearly see here who is the best at this game and who is the absolute dog shit.
Okay.
I was
There
joking.
Was the green floppy thing,
I'm sorry.
I
I'm
could
sorry.
touch it, okay?
I'm sorry. Where is he? Like, my torch is getting brighter and brighter for some reason. What the hell?
Oh.
shut up. Don't say dead guy. It makes me feel bad.
Oh, is Chris still in the game?
Hang on a second. I thought there was a tape recorder here, isn't there? I thought... No? I usually thought there was a tape recorder here. Let's go this way. No! Oi guys, can you cover my back a little bit with like your torches? Can you like see if this guy's still behind me? Is Chris here? Wait, where are you? Sam? Wow, 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 wow! Sam! Sam, don't give up on me. Can you still hear me?
Yeah, I can.
Oh, God. Are you covering... Are you right behind us still? Please tell me you are, right?
No, I stopped to look at Chris.
Oh, we need someone to cover our backs. We need a ghost.
You do realise...
Holy shitans. There he is, guys. Look, 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 look. Go, 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 go. Turn the corner, turn the corner. La, 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 la. Oh my god, I doubt I'm going to get 8 tape recorders anytime soon. Is he behind you still? No, he's not, son of a bitch. Guys, I want to end this. But don't, you know you really, really do not want to watch me scream. Because this shit just gets louder and louder every second of my life. Hang on a second, what's with that white thing behind the wall there? That was... There is. Oh my god, he's twisting his head. He's coming at me! Oh, that was close enough. I don't think that could have got any closer. I can't see shite. Guys! Oh my god! It's a white person! It's killing me! Oh shit! Ah! Coffinsy Bivansy, what the walloping Chinese man? Bloody hell. I'm lost. Guys, help me.
I'm trying to find you, but I'm just going through pointless hallways.
I survived so long. Oh, I see the guy who's alive. I'm just gonna stand next to him so he can't follow me. You're right, dude. I've got your back. Wink, wink. Sam, you still?
I'm at the middle.
Oh.
You know when you spawn? I'm there.
No. Sam's gonna help. So you might hear Sam's voice in the machinima.
Really?
Oh yeah, you're gonna help, right? No? Yes? Maybe? Okay, whatever.
Oh, I don't like you.
Yes, you like me. You love me.
Yeah, I know, right.
You love me so much that you just have to play everything with me.
Oh, I found the other guy. And I found Chris. Oh wait, are you dead?
Yeah, I'm dead. Hi, how you doing?
Oh, hey.
As if a couple of dead guys would say, hey, how you doing? No.
Oh. Hey, how you doing, bro? I'm pretty good.
Whoa!
Like I'm dead.
Hey, dead! Oh my god, I just shit myself big time, booger.
No.
Oh! Oh, man. If you can't read it, it says, in memory of Sam, Chris, Salvation, myself, and the random dude. Oh, what? Oh, yeah, I found the most tape recorders. I found 5. And, oh, come on. What? I totally walked further than that bastard. Come on.
I work longer than you.
Oh, I scream the less. I scream the less. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, watch the replay, guys, and watch. Feast your eyes. Now, if you'll see, like, yeah, that is us. Just watch. You know, you just yeah, just watch. Yeah, yeah.
That was me dead.
Yeah, you died.
I know that.
Wow, we went in a complete circle, but it was an amazing circle as well. Look at it. Dude, we kick ass.
Okay, and then that was when me. No, was that? No, I don't think so.
Oh, we went to the. Look at this shit. I led us all the way around. You just prove how epic I am not of this game. You laugh, guys, don't you? You just fucking laugh me up. I'm the Minecraft Silker. I'm the last of my kind, literally.
Yeah.
I'm joking. Oh yeah, that's where Chris stopped, innit? And then you found Chris, didn't you? No? Oh yeah, and then you went round and then we met up. Look, we took a left. Look at that shit. We went round. Yeah, and then we met back there. Come on. Oh, we missed the whole middle of the fucking map. Alright, guys. So, here is the names. Salvation. So it's Salvation 918. I can't pronounce it. It's Megasamata. I'll put it on the screen right now. There you go. And I will put Chris's. I'll just put all three up. There you go. Right. So I hope you enjoyed. Next map will be.